Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the reboot speed test comparison between the POCO X3 versus the OnePlus 8T device. So POCO X3 is basically the mid-range segment mobile phone, and it's a very good device. And whereas the OnePlus 8T is a premium end smartphone with a very good powerful processor. So right now, I'll be just trying to test the speed test in terms of the reboot time taken to restart the mobile phone. So previously I did a comparison between the loudspeakers, because both the phones, they do have the dual loudspeaker setup, and even I did display comparison, loudspeaker comparison, and speed test, even opening and closing of the applications as well. So try to check the links in description for more videos on the wallpapers what I'm using, and for more videos on either of the smartphones as well. You can find so many videos on each and every mobile phone. So let's get started with the reboot test, how I am going to do here right now. So let me try to press and hold the power button here, as you can see. So I'll try to reboot both the phones at same time. So let's see which phone will actually reboot faster. So here is the both phones reboot system, as you can see, friends. I did open this window, and here is the stopwatch as well. So I just want to calculate the difference between both the phones, how much the time difference will be there. So let me try to press both phones at same time, and then I'll try to press the stopwatch again as well. So let's see whether which phone will reboot faster. As I said, it's not a fair comparison, but I just want to know will it make a difference buying the high-end mobile phone or not. So let's see, friends. So which phone will actually boot up faster in terms of showing the logo. So that is what I'm looking after right now. As you can see, the OnePlus 8T is still taking the time to restart, and the POCO X3 is back with the POCO logo as well within 15 seconds. And finally, the OnePlus 8T is at 18 seconds. The logo got on OnePlus 8T OnePlus logo. So now the OnePlus is all loading. And finally, the OnePlus is there, rebooted successfully. I think around 34 seconds. You can clearly see 34 seconds. And finally, the POCO X3 is also rebooted, as you can see, friends. So overall, this is a time frame which is calculated right now. So for the first OnePlus 8T got rebooted around 34 seconds, and after that 43 seconds the POCO X3 got rebooted, and it took about the difference of 9 seconds. There is a difference between both the smartphones. So this may not be much different, but still I just want to compare this kind of speed test in most of the smartphones in my channel. So I thought of doing this kind of comparison between both the smartphones, and here is a video for you all. And in case if you're owning the POCO X3 or OnePlus 8T, at least you will get to know this kind of scores, results on both the devices. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. And very soon I'll be trying to do more videos on Realme X7 Pro as well, so which is going to come very soon. So stay tuned for that video. And so thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.